Text, LG. Life's good.
How to troubleshoot not sending or receiving SMS text messages on an LG phone.
The instructor attempts to send a message to the contact Erica.
Most messaging issues are caused by network connectivity issues or by application issues.
An error message states, "Not sent, try again."
The easiest to troubleshoot are application issues.
She taps on the gear icon on the home screen.
To troubleshoot application issues for messaging, go to Settings.
She scrolls down to Apps and Notifications.
Then tap on Apps and Notifications, and tap on App Info. Scroll down and tap on the name of the messaging app you are using. The LG default is called Messages. Tap on Storage, then tap on Clear Data.
A pop-up box appears that reads, "Delete app data?" All this app's data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts, databases, etc. There is an option of delete or OK to continue the deletion.
Tap on OK. After that, try to send and receive a message in the application again.
The message fails to send.
If that doesn't work, then restart the phone. If restarting the phone doesn't work, you'll need to troubleshoot network issues.
The horizontal bars in the top right-hand corner.
To do this, first check the signal strength on your phone. It should show at least one bar.
The instructor swipes down on the home page to bring up a set of icons.
Then turn airplane mode on.
A red circle appears around the airplane icon. A box pops up to confirm airplane mode.
Wait 10 seconds, then turn airplane mode off.
She taps the airplane icon.
Now try to send and receive a message again.
The message fails to send again.
If messaging is still not working, then reset the network settings.
She taps the gear icon on the home screen.
Go to Settings.
She scrolls down and taps System.
Tap System. Tap on Restart and Reset. Tap on Network Settings Reset, then tap on Reset Settings. Then tap Reset Settings again. Note that doing this will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords and paired Bluetooth devices.
She toggles the button for Wi-Fi on.
You will need to reconnect to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth manually after this. If a network settings reset does not resolve the issue, then please contact your carrier for assistance. If your carrier's assistance did not resolve the issue, then we recommend completing a factory data reset. Watch our how-to video linked in the description. If you need further assistance, please visit lg.com/us/support.
Logo, LG. Text, Life's good. Learn more at lg.com.